To use PayPal on an iPhone, start by downloading the PayPal app from the App Store. Once the app is installed, tap the PayPal icon to open it and sign in to your account using your email address and password. If you don't have a PayPal account, tap the Sign Up button to create one. After signing in, you will see the PayPal home screen, which displays your account balance and recent activity. To send money, tap the Send button at the bottom of the screen. Enter the recipient's email address or phone number, and the amount you want to send. You can also add a note to the payment if you want. To receive money, give the sender your email address or phone number associated with your PayPal account. You can also request money from someone by tapping the Request button and entering their email address or phone number. To link a credit or debit card to your PayPal account, tap the menu icon, then tap Wallets and Cards, and then tap Link a Card. Enter your card details and tap Link Card. You can also link a bank account by tapping the Link a Bank button. When making a payment with PayPal, you can choose to pay with your linked card, bank account, or PayPal balance. To do this, tap the Send button, enter the recipient's email address or phone number, and the amount you want to send. Then tap the Change button next to the payment method to select your preferred payment method. To use PayPal for online shopping, look for the PayPal button at checkout on your favorite shopping websites. Tap the button to sign in to your PayPal account and complete the payment. You can also use the PayPal app to discover and shop at your favorite stores. For security, make sure to set up two-factor authentication in the PayPal app by going to the Settings menu and tapping Security. This will add an extra layer of protection to your account. Also, be sure to only use PayPal on a secure internet connection and keep your account information up to date. By following these steps, you can easily use PayPal on your iPhone to send and receive money, shop online, and manage your account. Remember to always keep your account information secure and up to date to ensure a safe and convenient experience.